Mindful listening exercise. Welcome to today's tutorial where we'll explore the art of mindful listening. It's a simple exercise that can drastically improve your communication skills, relationships, and overall mental health. Begin by finding a peaceful place where you can sit comfortably and won't be disturbed. It could be a quiet room or a peaceful spot outdoors. Wherever you choose, ensure it's a place where you feel at ease. Now, close your eyes and bring your attention to your breath. Feel the sensation of the air coming in and going out of your body. This is the starting point of our mindful listening exercise. Next, shift your focus to the sounds around you. What can you hear? It might be the distant hum of traffic, the rustling of leaves, or the ticking of a clock. Try not to judge or analyze these sounds. Instead of labeling sounds as pleasant or annoying, simply observe them. This non-judgmental observation is the key to mindful listening. See if you can notice the beginning, middle, and end of each sound. Now, try to expand your awareness to include the quieter, subtler sounds, the ones that are easy to miss. These might be the sound of your own heartbeat, your breath, or the gentle hum of a computer. As you continue to listen, you might find your mind wandering. This is perfectly normal. When you notice this, gently bring your attention back to the sounds around you. Now, let's try focusing on one sound. Choose a sound, any sound, and listen to it with your full attention. Notice the nuances and details that you might have missed before. After a few minutes, return your attention to the sounds as a whole. Notice how they all blend together to form the symphony of your surroundings. Notice how your perceptions have changed. Now, slowly bring your attention back to your breath. Become aware of your body and your surroundings. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and bring this state of mindful listening into the rest of your day. The practice of mindful listening can have profound effects on your life. It creates a space for understanding and empathy, and can help you to become more present and engaged in your everyday interactions. That's it for today's tutorial on mindful listening. Remember, like any skill, mindful listening takes practice. So, be patient with yourself and keep practicing. Thank you for joining us today.